Who are we but a collection of moments? From the time we are born until now, every moment has made you the person you are today. Now you're stronger, smarter, sassier. I ask everyone here, do you know yourself? Do you know how much you're capable of? No, really, forget what the haters say. They don't know you like I do. They don't know how much pain you've been through, how you wish you could shut down all the voices in your head that tell you you aren't good enough. You've come so far. Don't let a mistake define you. You've made of sturdiest stuff. Uncomplicate your life. Silence is strength. You are more unbreakable than you think. I asked everyone here, do you like yourself? Do you accept and love all the parts that don't quite fit in? The oddities and quirks that we're told to eradicate? It all starts with changing how you view yourself, living every moment with purpose, going outside, and silly as it sounds, sitting under a tree to help recover a treasured loss. You think you're not strong enough, but you have all the inner strength you need. Play with your perception. Alter your addiction. Retune your resilience. Nothing is a coincidence. Because life is simply a collection of moments. From the time we are born until now, we can't live in the past, so let's make every moment count. Let's be stronger, smarter, sassier. Thank you.